The Stainless Steel Brew System was designed to allow Flair Classic and to-go users to brew without any plastic in the brew path. Also compatible with the NeoFlex and Flair standard brew heads. There are 3 parts to your stainless steel brew system: a stainless steel piston, stainless steel stem with full-size pressure gauge and bar markings, and a bottomless portafilter with a fully stainless steel path. Remove your existing stem and gauge and place the piston inside the top of your brew cylinder. Push the piston down until it is flush with the top of the cylinder. This is the start position. Before brewing, make sure to preheat your cylinder and piston as they have more thermal mass. To preheat, add your preheat cap to the bottom or place your cylinder in a bowl. Pour boiled water through the hole in the top and let sit for 60 seconds. To brew, pack the stainless steel bottomless portafilter as normal. Add your preheated cylinder with the piston onto the top of the portafilter. Place onto your Flair frame. Fill with your brew water through the open hole until full. Add the stainless steel stem with the gauge into the hole and push lightly until seated. Lower the lever, watching your pressure on the gauge. When finished brewing, remove the stem and gauge by pulling up. Dump excess brew water and separate all parts for rinsing in cool water. Make sure you reorient your piston to the start position before your next brew. If in doubt, use your dosing cup. If you have any questions about your stainless steel brew system, reach out to Flair's customer service team via our website.